So people say not to grow mint in containers if it gets too cold outside and you cannot take them inside. These are two parts that we left outside the whole winter, and it got to with our Arctic blast. So I think it was minus 12 Fahrenheit, and throughout the winter it was constantly below freezing in 20s. So I wanted to show you that come spring it sprouted, and I think that is from the actual root itself, but these smaller ones, like you can see right here or there or there, they are from the seeds which were fallen and sprinkled in, and now they're coming back, I think, but I'll see and we'll update.